cheetah. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We are going in Płock Zoo. Let's go in. I got the tickets and I'll show all the animals. Stay tuned. This is the map of the zoo. You can see all the animals. Where is it? We are giving the tickets to scan. Oh, this is a tiger. It's so close to me. Look how it is. It's very strong and beautiful. 3 tigers are there, and 1 is male, and 2 is female, and 1 is sleeping up there. You see? Looking at me and so funny. He wants the chocolate. Here comes the king of the jungle, the lion. In Poland, they call it lew. Look, there's 2 lionesses always sleeping. And you can see that king of the jungle lion is sleeping too. See, the leopard is so close to me, I can touch it in the glass. It's like a wild cat. See how close to me, and I think he loves me. See, 1 is sleeping and a lazy boy. See, there's elephants. There's 2 elephants, and 1 is waiting for the food. This is Indian elephant. 1 is big and 1 is small. It's watching me. There's 2 fox. They're looking at us and they're coming to us. See this vulture, how big it is. Look at the wings. Papa, I'll show you something. There's a peacock. These are small monkeys' jungle. Look at the small monkey's tree house. Look at the giraffe, how tall it is. He can even reach trees. Real horn. There. You. This is an reindeer. Stay up. I'm stuck inside the kangaroo's stomach. Pee. The zoo has a good river view. Look at the funny bird sound. It's like... Polishes. The lion is left. Which lion? This is zebra crossing and that's a zebra. What? Seals are swimming in the cold water. Let's go, let's get sunny. Oh my gosh! Super. This is the mini zoo. I enjoyed a lot. You want to see inside? Let's go. Food is getting ready for the farm animals. These are hostage. Toys! This is the crazy this animal I never seen in my life. He's climbing up. And there! And there! Going to aquarium.
Zajrzymy do...
See him? You can see the the snake in the world. Look at how big it is. It's like 15 feet tall. All wow, what's his leg? I'm going to save this world. Bye-bye, friends. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel.